Good evening. This is All India Radio Kohima. I'm Jonas Yantan with Evening News. The headlines. As many as 43 leaders take oath as ministers in the new Union Cabinet. Health Ministry asks 9 states to ensure strict compliance of COVID-appropriate behaviour. Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee joins nationwide protest against fuel price hike. And Land Resources Department launches calendar of activities in commemoration of 75 years of India's independence. Azadi ka Amrut Mahotsav. As the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also to help others to get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower their guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800-345-0019. And now the news. As many as 43 leaders are taking oath as ministers in the new and revamped Union Cabinet. President Ramnath Kovind is administering the oath of office and secrecy to the newly inducted ministers this evening. This is the first expansion of the Narendra Modi government in the second tenure. The new cabinet witnessed record representation of OBC, SC and ST communities. 27 OBC ministers, including 5 with cabinet rank, 12 ministers from scheduled caste communities and 8 from scheduled tribes were inducted in the cabinet. Former Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal was among the list of the new ministers who took oath as Cabinet Minister. Union Health Ministry has asked the 9 states to ensure strict compliance of COVID-appropriate behaviour. These states are witnessing high case weekly positivity rate for the past many weeks. The Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan has written letters to Chief Secretaries of Kerala, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Tripura, Assam, Manipur, Sikkim and Odisha. In the letter, states have been asked to take strict containment measures, ramping up of testing, augmentation of health infrastructure and effective clinical management. The states have also been asked to speed up the vaccination drive of all citizens aged above 18 years. The Union Health Ministry has urged these states to share action taken report as per the directions issued under Disaster Management Act. Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee (NPCC) has joined the nationwide protest called by All India Congress Committee against unprecedented rise in the prices of essential commodities and petrol diesel. The agitation, which began today, will end on 17th of July. In Dimapur, Day 1 of agitation program in the form of banner and sticker campaign was launched by NPCC President K. Therier at Dimapur DCC office. Similarly, in Kohima, PCC Working President Kriti Tenyo launched the agitation program from Congress Bhavan. A series of agitation in various forms has been planned for the next 10 days. Union Minister for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying Giriraj Singh yesterday launched the online course mobile app Matsya Setu. The app has been developed by ICAR Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture, Bhubaneswar, with the funding support of the National Fisheries Development Board, Hyderabad. The online course app aims to disseminate the latest freshwater aquaculture technologies to the aqua farmers of the country. Speaking on the occasion, Singh said, capacity building of fish farmers is a very vital part of spearheading the technology-led agriculture development in the country. He emphasized to include inputs of successful farmers while providing training. During the event, the minister interacted with progressive fish farmers from various places in the country and took inputs from them. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on our YouTube channel, AIR News Kohima. Department of Land Resources today launched a calendar of activities in commemoration of 75 years of India's independence, Azadi ka Amrut Mahotsav. On the occasion, a brochure was also released by Commissioner and Secretary Land Resources V.K.A. Kenye and handed to the district heads of the department. Speaking at the launching program at Kohima, Kenye said the brochure will be a stepping stone for the department to achieve higher heights. He also expressed hope that the commitment and service rendered by the department is felt at all levels and encouraged them to strive more. Director Land Resources Department, Renben Lotha, encouraged the department heads to carry on with what the government has entrusted them with the mission and vision of the department. In view of the countrywide celebration of 75 years of India's independence, the kick-off to Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav from July 1 to 7 was observed following COVID-appropriate behaviour in all the subdivisions of Dimapur district, namely Tansiripar, Kohuputo, Newland and Metsefema. The event was marked by cleanliness drives and tree plantation adjoining the main water sources. Organized by PHED Rural Division Dimapur, Watsan and Swacha Grahis took active part in villages like Sukato, Vihoku, Newland Headquarter, Tansiripar Headquarter. Led by STO Metsefema block, Ichirang Zeliang, the week-long events culminated today at Sirhi Angami under Metsefema block. COVID-19 recovery rate in the country stands at 97.18%. More than 47,000 patients recovered during the last 24 hours. Till now, more than 2,97,99,000 people have recovered from COVID-19. Daily recoveries continue to outnumber the daily new cases for the 55th consecutive day. The country's active caseload declined to 4,59,920, while the death toll due to the pandemic has reached 4,04,211. COVID testing capacity has been substantially ramped up. Till now, more than 42 crore 33 lakh tests have been conducted. Nagaland has been witnessing substantial decrease in the number of fresh COVID-19 cases and more recoveries for the past few days. According to State Health Department, the state today reported 44 fresh cases, 105 recoveries and 2 deaths related to the infection. The total caseload in the state now stands at 25,663. In all, 23,376 patients have recovered so far. Presently, there are 1,070 active cases. Currently, 930 people are under home isolation and 74 people are admitted in COVID hospital. Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi has extended warm Duluni greetings to the Sumi brothers and sisters and to the people of Nagaland. The governor, in his message, termed Duluni as a celebration to welcome the bountiful season of the year. He said Duluni is a time to re-strengthen family and social bonds and to celebrate new relationships. Governor Ravi expressed hope that the Sumi youths will come together as a community and continue to unite and build the Nagas to overcome the challenge we are facing today. The governor on this auspicious occasion wishes all good health, happiness and prosperity. Extending Duluni greetings to the Sumi community, Chief Minister Niperio wished that Duluni foster fraternity, solidarity and oneness among all sections of people. Deputy Chief Minister and BLP leader Y. Button also greeted the Sumi community on the occasion of Duluni. Button expressed optimism that the festival will be an opportunity for fostering unity and reconciliation amongst brethren. Deputy Chief Minister, on behalf of the state BJP legislators, wished the Sumi community a very happy Duluni. And now to the news, here are the main points again. As many as 43 leaders take oath as ministers in the new Union Cabinet. Health Ministry asks 9 states to ensure strict compliance of COVID-appropriate behaviour. Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee joins nationwide protest against fuel price hike. And Land Resources Department launches calendar of activities in commemoration of 75 years of India's independence, Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.